get to do my math homework on the tablet. Oh, is that hard? It's okay. They always give you really easy questions to start off with. Then they get harder and harder. But I'm almost done. I could play here till you're finished. I finished my math. Oh, already? Should we play? Huh? Did the tablet just speak with your voice? Oh, I must have accidentally tapped on the dictation app. You can record yourself with it. Cool, I want to try it. Okay, it's recording. Hello, I'm Chief Overbeck, and I'm hunting down a thief. Hello, I'm Chief Overbeck, and I'm hunting down a thief. That's funny. Nicky wants to record himself too. Haha, now we've recorded Nicky. Dad's over there in his office. We could secretly record him. Cool idea! You can't giggle, or the only thing it'll record will be you.
Ah, where on earth did Nicole file it? Ah, it's such chaos in here. Hello? Who's there?
He's gone. We got him. Now we get money. Okay, she's in the kitchen. We have to sneak up on her. She's not saying anything. We could play Nicky meowing for her. See if she falls for it.
Nicky! Pitches! Neither of them's here. Funny. I must be hearing things.
We've already recorded heaps of sounds. But sometimes they sound really weird. Listen closely. What's that noise? I think that's just Dad opening a folder. Oh! We could play Guess the Sound with Mum and Dad. We'll go around the house and garden recording random sounds, and then they have to guess what they are. Oh yeah, that'll be fun. Mum and Dad can't know we're recording though. Otherwise they'll know the answers.
What have you guys been doing all this time?
We've been getting a game ready for you guys.
Oh, for us.
Yeah, we've recorded lots of noises. And now you have to guess what they are.
Let's hear 'em then.
Okay, shh, here comes the first sound.
That's something closing, isn't it? A door, maybe?
Listen again.
A cupboard door.
No, it's the toilet lid.
What, really?
Yeah, listen.
Oh, yeah.
Next sound.
I know that one for sure. It's my shaver.
Correct. Okay, listen, next one. Again.
It could be a light switch.
Correct.
Wow, that one was quite hard.
Next.
Nicky knocking over a salad bowl?
It's the dishwasher door.
Oh yeah, I never would have guessed that.
An air pump.
A bottle of perfume.
No. Opening a water bottle.
Ah.
A drill.
No, that's my mixer.
Correct.
Are there any more sounds?
Let's see.
Ah, where on earth did Nicole file it? Ah, it's such chaos in here.
Aha, that's interesting.
Yeah, well, it's true.
That sounds like something got broken. Can I hear that again?
Did we record a sound like that? No, not that I know of. That came from outside.
What?
Uh-oh.
Oh, it fell off the balcony. Wow, it's really bad weather. Hopefully we don't end up with a storm like last year.
Wow, it's really stormy outside. I can't even sleep. Hey, Teddy, it's way too loud to sleep. Come on, Teddy, let's go to Mummy's room. Maybe it'll be quieter in there. Mummy, can I come into your room?
Of course, come in, my darling. Isn't it stormy?
Yeah, it's even louder up there under the roof. Is it raining now too? I'll hide under the covers, then maybe I won't hear so much.
Wow, it sure is stormy this morning.
It was like that the whole night.
Yeah, you could hear it really clearly.
Really? I didn't even notice.
Good morning, Lena.
Hi, Mummy. I didn't sleep well because of the storm. Me neither. It sounded like the whole house was going to fly off.
Anna, go get dressed and then brush your teeth. I'll go to the baker in the meanwhile and buy something for breakfast.
Okay.
Oh, it's spitting. But with this wind, there's no point bringing an umbrella. It'd fly off anyway.
Do you want some warm milk?
Oh, yes, please.
Right, Mummy must be home soon.
Daddy, the wind is blowing our garden furniture away. And the pot plants too.
Oh no! The storm doesn't seem to be over yet.
And where's Mummy gotten to? Hopefully nothing happens to her.
The baker isn't too far away. I'm sure she'll be home soon. Look, your milk's ready.
Oh, what horrible weather. Oh no, the trash can. All of the paper's flying out of it. Oh, lucky I'm almost at the baker's. Finally there. Good morning, Mrs. Hauser. Good morning. Not too busy this morning, huh? I guess no one wants to leave the house in this storm. Yeah, on the radio they did say to stay home. There are wind gusts of up to 85 miles per hour. Oh, I didn't realise. Oh well, anyway, I'll take a baguette, a bunny and a pretzel. Sure, coming right up. That'll be $5. Thanks. You better be careful on the way home. It's getting very dark out there.
The newspaper says there's going to be a severe storm coming through today. It's getting really dark out there.
What's that flying past? It's laundry! Daddy, somebody's laundry is all over the patio! A clothesline!
Oh dear, it could have smashed our window. I better get it in.
Be careful, Daddy! Something could come flying and hit you in the head!
Don't worry, I'll be quick and careful. Right, I'll just put it over here. I'll turn on the radio. Maybe there's news about the weather conditions.
There is a severe weather warning for Playmobil City. Wind gusts are currently reaching up to 85 miles per hour. If you don't urgently need to leave the house, then please stay home.
Oh no! And Mummy's out there in the storm!
Kids, you don't need to worry. Mummy will be home soon, I'm sure.
You said that before, and she still isn't back!
It really seems to be a terrible storm right now. Maybe I better stay here for a bit. Perhaps it'll ease off soon. Wow, a pine tree just fell down. Oh my goodness. Lucky I stayed here. It's starting to lighten up now. I think it's easing off. I'll dash off home now then. Bye. Bye.
Mummy!
Here I am.
I was so worried something had happened to you. Lucky you're okay. But look at you!
I'm fine. I'm just sopping wet and quite dishevelled. clothesline doing here?
It came flying by before.
Oh, a trash can flew at me. The wind spread the paper out of it all down the street. And while I was waiting at the baker's, a pine tree on the opposite side of the street fell down.
Wow! Mummy, that was so dangerous! Next time, you should check the radio first.
Yeah, you're right.
Michael Hauser speaking. Hi, Sarah.
Are you guys all okay?
So far, so good. How about you?
My whole clothesline with all my laundry on it flew off. I hope it didn't hurt anyone.
No, you can pick it up from our place, and your laundry is on our patio.
Dear kids, dear Playmobil fans, I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, we'd love it if you could give it a thumbs up. And if you like, you can watch some more here.